Hey guys, it's me, Infinity Quake, back once again, but this time, we're outside! Yeah, outside, cause I got bored of being inside. I feel so lonely when I'm outside. But, okay, today we're gonna just talk about a couple things. Oh god, so bright. I'm probably gonna use a filter. You're probably gonna be like, what? I don't even see a difference. It's so freaking bright out here. Look at me. Okay, but we're gonna be talking about a couple things today. What's the first one that comes to mind? Let me see. That's probably not the first. Well, the first thing that comes to mind is a schedule. It's like Infinity. What? You don't have a schedule. You're just so the random, and I'm throwing rocks. You're so the random. Oh, as awesome as me. I'm fooling myself right now. Anyway, but who as awesome as you would have a schedule? The thing is, on your schedule, guys. I don't care how freak some I look without a schedule. I need one desperately. Could you imagine going to school and just not having a schedule? I don't know. Going to school, it's great. These are some fall flowers that I have. They're pretty, aren't they? Oh. Here is my oh, that's not my favorite. Wait, here's my favorite plant. It's called the rhododendron. Cool, isn't it? Anyways, but so I'm definitely gonna try always uploading on Saturday. Yeah, always on Saturday. I'm gonna try that. If it's not work, I'm gonna tell you guys. Don't worry, you'll be in the loop. There's no one to trust more than you guys know what's going on here. And cool, I believe. Yeah, I'm good. Anyways, I'm just showing junk back again. Anyways, let's hang out here. I'm kind of sorry. I'm gonna try on weekdays when possible, but I'm not exactly sure how that's gonna go. Now, one thing I want to say with you guys is, let's play a game. Before I start talking about nonsense, let's play a game. So I'm gonna take a rock each time. I'm gonna see if I can get it past that. Then you're like, that's gonna be easy. It's like, yeah, but see if we can get each one part. So this one's gonna be the starting one. Good job, me. And I think this is about the same though. Sorry, we. Okay, that was definitely better. We need more light in here, don't we? Throw at thing. Yeah. Anyways, so those are the days. I'm gonna definitely try on Saturday. I'll try on on other weekdays, but I'm not sure how that's gonna work out yet. So be patient with me. New person here. I don't exactly know all the things to do. I mean, like, yo. So, oh god, it's so bright. So, walking more. These are pretty little flowers. Anyways, but I want to try like a roleplay series with you guys. And you see, it won't be exactly showing me or me in game, but I'm gonna like draw out some characters jets and characters and be like, yeah, cool, bro. Oh. And so, gonna do this rhododendron. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's get this flower. So pretty. So delicate and so pretty. And some I'm gonna do a role play. If you want me to shout out some YouTubers, I'm gonna try to draw them. And we'll make some crazy role play about stuff. I have no idea what. Just, there. But we're gonna make this role play. It's gonna be awesome. And it's gonna be like that. And down in the what's its face, in the comments below, leave a comment saying who you want to be in Debbie. Oh, it's a pretty little moth. Oh, just fly away. I don't know. I'm gonna add my 2 best friends out here. Okay. I wonder what happened with Steph in that. I don't want to step in it. Hell no. No, thank you. So, yeah, here's my hand. Probably should have brought something to keep us going. But, let's look at a new angle. I'm gonna add Sky Village and Long Walks into the roleplay. And of course, my BFF, not Sky Village and Long Walks, I already said that. I can't speak today, guys. But I'm going to add Crunchy Creamy Cookies. Props for being my BFF, girl. Or, props. You see, I really just say girl for everybody. I actually don't care. Girl, boy, whatever. Props whoever you are. And thanks for the videos, by the way. Cookie, you're amazing. And okay. So roleplay, cool. Yeah, description down below of who you want to see in this roleplay. So I'll get working on it as soon as this video is done, or whenever I feel like it. And so yeah, then give it to you guys. Oh yeah, a while ago I was thinking about doing a top 10, but I wasn't exactly sure what to do a top 10 on. So I was gonna do my top 5 favorite YouTubers, or maybe least favorite. You decide which one you want to be, favorite or least favorite. Cause you see, I got a lot of favorites. For example, Afmac. Great person there. I like role plays. Yeah. And, guys, I guess this is kind of just a me talky video. And I can see why I'd explain all this. But, okay, guys, I'm gonna pause a sec, and we're gonna go inside where the lighting's better, so I can explain the schedule one last time, okay? Be back in a second. And back, I see. Okay, so this is what I did in last video. You can see she has little glasses, but they're the infinity symbol. So yeah, so schedule. So, here's your minds here. And so, Sunday and Saturday, I will try to post. One of those 2 days, there will be a post. Next 2 days, okay? Next 2 days? Or 4 days. Next 4 days. 5 days. Yeah, 5 days. I'm really bad at math lately. Anyways, next 5 days, it will be unknown. Let me just get used to this first. So, but next time you see this drawing, it will have we'll have the line art done. So prepare for that. See you guys next video. Bye. Bye, guys. I'll miss you. I'll miss you guys. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. And comment down below, actually, of what you want. And that for me to do with the roleplay and stuff. Because that's going to come. Bye.